Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Borges. I am 34 years old. I'm going to talk about my family. First, my mother. My mother is named Mariela Zavala. He is 53 years old. He had black curly hair. He is my brother. Is the third in the family, and also the youngest. He is 50. He is 25 years old. He is my brother Javier. He is 29 years old. He is the fattest in the family, as you can see. He is my father. His name is Fermin Borges. He's 69 years old. He is the oldest in my family. Okay, and this is my great family. I'm loved. Thank you very much.